girls wanted to see Hiraku naked. After that, we see the demon generals. They learned that another dragon lives in the village of Hiraku. They were worried, and the demon lord Gelgardo wasn't even listening. He was wondering if his daughter was in her rebellious phase. A few days later, Hakurin decided to live in Big Tree's village, and she was very lazy and always doing nonsense. So Hiraku gave her the task of teaching the children reading, writing, and math. Hakurin liked her new job. Hiraku is a nice guy. In the present, Michael couldn't believe he was getting the best deal of his life. But he was shaken, very exhausted from his visit to Big Tree Village. After that, Hiraku and his friends ate a great seafood chanko.
More pa.
Yes, more pa.
More pa dun. Yun pa. Okay. Kunti na lang. May more pa.
That. Kamyas.
Yes.
Yes.
Ay gloves natin.
Okay.
Ganun ko.
Mm-mm.
How about you?
Okay, let's go.